Hello students, welcome back, and in today's video we will continue our second chapter, which is components of food. In yesterday video we have seen and we had discussed about the exercises of this chapter. I hope you had understand those exercises, and so let's move to the next. And in today's video we will discuss about the hard words of this chapter and the new words for you. So let's start. So our first word is balance diet. Okay, balance diet. The diet that have all the nutrients with roughage and water that our body needs in right quantities. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Okay, that means कि a diet that we eat in our daily life, it should have all the nutrients with roughage and water in proper quantities. So that's kind of diet is called balanced diet. Okay, next, beriberi. What is a beriberi? I hope you know that beriberi is a disease. And which kind of disease? It is a deficiency disease. Deficiency means lacking of something for a long period of time in our body. So that is a deficiency disease that causes by the deficiency of vitamin B in our body. Okay, if there is a lacking or deficiency of vitamin B in our body for a long time of period, then our body, then very disease can be caused in our body. Okay, and what is its symptoms? मतलब कि इसके लक्षण क्या है? Its symptoms is are weak muscles and very little energy to do work. Okay, means कि weak muscles means if you are doing anything, we got pain and we are tired very early to do in work and to learn. So this is the symptoms of beriberi disease. Let's move on next. Energy is a, you are very familiar with this word. So basically energy is a power. There should be a gapping in here. Okay, so energy is a power or ability to do a lot of work without getting tired. Okay, if you have energy, you have a power, you can do a work regularly without getting tired. And we get energy from food. Okay, so we should eat proper food and balanced diet. Next, fats. What is fats? Fat, it is a nutrition, it is a one of the nutritions. Okay, and it also provide energy to our body. And I hope you know the other nutritions which give us energy to our body, that is a carbohydrate. But fat give instant energy and more energy than carbohydrate. Okay, so it's give instant energy than carbohydrate, but it should be in a proper quantity. The fat should contain in our body in proper quantity, otherwise the excessive of fat is also causes of disease that is called obesity. Okay, means motapa. If we have consumed so much fat or only fat, then the disease can be caused, that is a obesity, and it is a very dangerous. So we should, fat gives energy, it's true, but it should have to consume in a proper way, proper quantity. Okay, next, minerals. Minerals, mineral nutritions and minerals are also needed by our body. It is one of the nutritions, and minerals are needed by our body in a small amount. Means ki we don't need much large in amount. We need the minerals in a small amount, and our body need minerals to develop and the function normally. Okay, and function normally. So basically we need a minerals in our body to perform our functions in our body and to develop our body. Some minerals are some minerals are calcium, iron, iodine, etc. Okay, these are minerals. Okay, calcium, which we had discussed about that in yesterday's video. I hope you have seen it. So for today, that's it. Okay, so see once again all the words. Okay, balanced diet, very energy, fats and minerals. I hope you will understand all those words, and if there is any confusion you can ask me in chat and group. And this is your today's homework. You have to write the symptoms of rickets and goiter disease. Okay, we had discussed about diseases and its causes and its symptoms in previous video. So from there you can find the answer of this question. I hope you will find the answer of this question. So you have to write the answer of this question in rough copy only, not in any fair work, and write in rough copy. Okay, so till then, thank you.